This is the WARSUN 1000 lumen EDC flashlight. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the instruction manual. Here is the flashlight itself, a battery holder, we're going to talk more about that in a bit, and the charging cable, which is USB to USB-C. So like I said before, this is 1000 lumens. It has a clip on the side as you see, but it's magnetic on the back end. So that's really nice as well. This is about 3 inches long by about 1 inch thick, or in diameter I should say, and weighs only 2.4 ounces. Really nice and lightweight. You got a side light on it, you have the front light on it. Battery in here is 5,000 milliamp hours and has up to a 20-hour runtime. The flashlight is IPX6 waterproof, which means it is submersible. This can fall into a bucket of water and be perfectly fine, even though that happened. As with anything that is waterproof, don't test it. Let it happen by accident and know that you're saved if it does. Now let's talk about the battery, okay? So for the battery, we'll take that out, and you have to open the back end of it. So that unscrews. Okay, there it is. There is a little rubber gasket on there, little O-ring, so you want to make sure that stays. The flashlight will not work out of the box. You must remove this to make it work. Here is the battery that's in it. 5,500 milliamp hours, excuse me, and this is a 21700 type battery. It looks like a big AA, but it's called a 21700 battery, and you can get replacements for this. Just look online, you'll find them, they're there. But it can also use an 18650 battery, which is a smaller variety of that. And what this is a sleeve that will accept the 18650 battery, and then you would load that back into it, and you can run it off of that. The 18650s are a bit more common. It's not that you can't get these. You most certainly can, and they're easy to get as well. But, you know, you may have 18650s and other devices and things like that, so you can use that if you want. Let me get the battery loaded back in here and we'll test it. To operate it, you press the button and it turns on high, medium, low, and strobe, and it turns off. So you do that all day, high, medium, low, strobe, and off. Turn it back on and then hold the button down and it will light up the side light, and you have high, medium, low, and red flash. Okay, let's shut the lights. Okay, here's high. Not bad. It's got a brighter center spot right there, as you see, but you still get light, and you see where it cuts off right like that. So you got a nice bright spot in the middle, which I kind of like. Then you have medium, you have low, strobe, and we'll turn it back on. And let me turn it this way. I'm going to hold the button down, and there is the side light. So this is a little bit different color of light. It's a little bit warmer in color than the other one. High gives you a very respectable amount of light, and remember, like I said, it's magnetic, so it can sit there and light stuff up. So that's pretty nice. It has this feature where it shuts off like that. See how it was on for a while and then I pressed the button, it turned off? That's, you don't have to go through all the modes just to get there. So when you first turn it on, and it's the same with this light as well, if I leave that for a while and then press the button, it's just going to shut off, which is nice. I don't know what the waiting time for it is. It's 15 seconds, something like that. We'll turn it back on and get back to the side light. So there's your high, your medium, low, any banding you see is a camera artifact, and the red flash. So again, main flashlight, high, medium, low strobe, and then the side light, which you can also just hold the button, it'll do high, medium, low, and red flash. This is what they call an EDC, or everyday carry flashlight. And yeah, they make it easy for you, because you got a nice clip, so you can carry it with you like that, or the magnetic base, so that's really nice there. Charging is on the back, this rubber plug. You pick that out, and the USB-C port is right there. You have your front light over there, the side light, whole bunch of different modes and lighting options for just about anything you need. Comfortable in the hand, and puts out a decent amount of light all around. A really nice flashlight from WARSUN. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.